Do you guys have the McRib sandwich? Can I get 2 of those? Sandwich only. Sauce on the side?
No sauce?
A sauce on the side, please.
Okay.
Perfect, thank you. All right, Hiro-san, we are back at the studio.
Yes.
And I brought you this, the McRib.
McRib.
This has been around for 40 years, but just came reintroduced again after, I don't know, a hiatus of maybe a few years, and this is one of my favorite things to eat. Here, let's open up and show everyone what we're talking about. Check this out. This is a piece of pork. This is actually pork shoulder, and I asked for everything to be separate. So you have the sauce over here, and the pickles and onions. So when you want this separate with no sauce and everything on the side, actually they make it fresh for you, because if not, it's going to be actually inside the sauce. That's why when you order this, it's so saucy, because it's actually inside the heater with the sauce in it already. So this took a little while to get. Anyway, we're going to see if you can make this sandwich better, Hiro. What do you think?
I try.
Okay. It's a Willet Sushi. You make it look so easy, Hiro. You make it look so easy.
Yeah, I have done a few times, right? In the past. Put the powder on the top. And then the egg. And then panko. So double coating.
And make it extra crispy.
Okay, one side of double coating, one side of regular. So let's see how different it is.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's start to fry it up.
You know, I kind of wish maybe put it back in the bread and just eat it like that. Maybe that's good, right? But,
bread open too.
oh man, it looks so good. That piece of fried pork. You know, Hiro?
Yeah, katsudon.
Right? Oh, you got to make some rice for that. That's going to be another episode.
Yeah.
McDonald's Katsu Sando.
I think it looks like a definitely double coating is more like a.
More better,
looks
right?
more like
Thicker?
a bit.
Looks like the one in Japan in the airport. Keep talking about that experience.
Yeah,
The best katsu place I've
you
had.
like that one. Yeah, this is ready. This is a single. I mean, the one shot coating, single one. So this is double coating.
Okay.
I think a double coating is more like looks nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I'm going to a little bit change mine. One actually put back to sandwich.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it looks so good, Hiro.
The bread, barbecue sauce,
Got to put a lot of sauce on there.
many sauce, right?
Oh, yeah. Nice.
There, in the back, and here. The onion. And then pickles. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
All right. McRib. McKatsu rib.
Katsuri.
All right, so you guys like this presentation?
Oh, I'm gonna anyway half for you.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna cut.
Okay. All right. Looks good already, Hiro. Looks better already.
Okay, next one is a roll it up roll.
Willet sushi. Make katsu rib.
Mm.
Okay. Look how beautiful this piece of meat looks too.
Yes, right.
Mm-hmm. Okay. It's looking good. Wow, look at the crunch. Just listen to it. Oh, wow.
Then I'm gonna put anyway, onion. And pickles. And then a little bit of sauce in the two.
What about those two pieces?
Put it in and go. Okay.
A lot of sauce, Hiro. We gotta sauce it up.
Yeah. But roll, if you too much sauces, it's coming out. So
Mm.
pour like that. Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice.
Okay.
All right. Successful or not? Let's see, Hiro.
I'm gonna see. Fail.
Fail.
No.
Okay. All right. Doing all right.
No, okay. So
I would eat
is
this.
the cooked inside. Okay, like that.
I would eat this. I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah. The bread is kind of a little dry,
Yeah.
so it's very. Then use the.
Very interesting. Very similar to that Big Mac sandwich that you made years ago.
Yeah, long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
Guess I'm gonna put this one.
Okay. Well, comment below if you guys like the McRib sandwich. I'm a big fan. Some people don't like it because when they serve it, it's just way too much sauce, but that's how they keep it moist and ready to go. So you don't have to wait in the drive-through. Okay, ready to go. You know, I'm gonna take this to McDonald's. I'm gonna say, you know what? I don't know what you're serving here. This is not the McRib sandwich that we ordered. What do you think?
That's right. What do you think?
All right, Hiro. I like it.
Good.
Yeah. Incredible. Well, thank you so much.
Yep.
If you guys like this video, home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us if you like the McRib and if you'd eat it like this, or maybe not katsu. I don't know. Either way, it's so good. I do enjoy the McRib. Here, thank you.
Hi. Thank you very much.
All right, who's jealous? Who's jealous out there? Ta-da! Look at this. Wow. I think it came out great, Hiro. First of all, it's a McRib sandwich, limited time only from McDonald's. Plus, you had katsu on it. Katsu layer.
I want to show you the.
So it's kind of like a tonkatsu roll, Hiro. Are you ready for this beautiful piece of tonkatsu roll? Enjoy, Hiro.
Okay.
It's a double coating. How's it? Better than the original without the coating?
I like anyway the cut coating. Like this is not so crunchy because
Yeah.
you rolled it up already. But still I like
Good, right?
maybe
Try this one right now.
I'm gonna put more sauce.
Wow. You just made the sandwich so much better. Try it.
Katsu Sando.
Yeah, try the Katsu Sando, right. McRib Katsu Sando. It's so good. Texture on the katsu, the pork.
Mm. Mm.
Mmm. So good.
Yeah. Katsu Sando.
Mm-hmm. The barbecue sauce and the onions and the pickles, everything just... If you like the McRib sandwich the way it is, you're going to like this even more. Just because of the texture on the outside of the piece of pork. So much better.
Maybe in the States, instead of the other one I seen recently, the UK,
Mm-hmm.
the katsu nugget, right? They should sell katsu rib sandwich.
Mm. McDonald's, are you guys listening? You can hire Hiro as a consultant. He'll show you how to do it. It's free, right, Hiro? Free consultation. Wow, this is really good. I'm really enjoying this.
Mm.
Look at this piece here. Oh, the coating with the barbecue sauce. It just works with the pickles and onions. Mmm.
Katsu rib sandwich.
Very good.
Mm. Mm.
I didn't eat, you know, the McRib is good already. I didn't think you could make it that much better, but you did.
Well, this crunchiness from the panko,
Mm-hmm.
much better, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Such a big bite. I want a small one. This is a double coated, you can see. You have more sauce there? Can I get more sauce on top? Because I like this sauce with the onions and the pickles. I think it's all three. I'm not a big pickle guy on sandwiches, but I think with the onions and the barbecue sauce, it just works magnificently. Let's try. Mm.
Yeah, this is everything rolled up, so you don't feel much the crunchiness inside.
Mm-hmm.
This looks interesting to eat. I like this side.
100% agree.
Katsu sandwich.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Easy to make too. Easy
I
to
wish
make.
this one had the double coating in it.
Double
It would've
coating
been
in
nice.
it. Yeah, double
The
coating.
sandwich, yeah.
Mm.
But still good. No, Hiro, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.